Hi guys, and what's up good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Ruth. In case this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking back. Yeah, you're all welcome to the family. We love new people. Yeah, thank you so much guys for liking, commenting and sharing my videos. I know I've been away from YouTube for a while. It's not even a while. I've been away from YouTube for long. It has been long since I uploaded a video, but we are back. Shughuli ni mingi, masando machache. Yeah, I look a little bit sleepy. It's on a weekend. I was not really feeling like shooting, but I made an order yesterday and I promised myself I was going to film while unboxing it. Can you guys guess in the comment section what we are unboxing today? I'm so excited. Yeah, and why I decided to buy whatever we are about to unbox is because of lights. So I hope you guys already know what we are unboxing. Yeah, it has been a problem for me to shoot. I don't know whether you guys can see me because where the struggle. I've been having trouble in shooting my videos because of the lighting. My house itself does not have a good lighting, and you guys know the natural lighting is good for filming, and it has been a problem for me to shoot, and that is why I think most of the time I feel like shooting but I cannot shoot because of the lighting, and that is why I decided to buy myself a ring lights. That is what we are unboxing today. Yeah, I know there is that one day you feel like filming, but there is that cloud that will always cover the sun for like maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and it becomes dark. So even right now, it's not that I have the natural lighting. I'm using electricity, but steamer. But if you can see shadows, unaelewa tu, it's because I'm using the bulb itself to shoot. So that is why guys I decided to buy a ring light, because I've been having trouble, because it has been trouble for sure. Yeah, I've not yet opened it. I made an order and it was delivered. So I decided that today I'm going to film myself while unboxing it, and we set it up. I got this ring light from an online shop. I've never bought something from an online shop. No, I have, yeah, Jumia. But this one, I got it from an online shop, Lean Ventures. I don't know whether you know them. Pale Instagram. I've never tried them, but I decided let me try, and then I don't know. So we are going to open the ring light as we set it up. I've been patient enough because I was feeling like opening this ring light immediately. I got it, but but I promised myself I was going to unbox it while filming myself. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. It's a 12-inch ring light, and it was on offer, so that is why I actually decided to buy it. African offers, but anyway, I decided to buy it because it was on offer. So I want us to open and get to see what is inside. So I don't know. Hey, so this is what is inside. There's this bag that you use to carry the ring light. There's this mini tripod. So guys, let's first look at the ring light itself, because that's where the whole magic is. So that is how it is. It's a 12 inch, so yeah, so this is what a 12-inch ring light looks like. So what about 10 inch and a 8 inch? Okay guys, I don't know how to set it, so we are going to try set it. So inside it there is this mini tripod, guys, I showed you. Then there is this, I don't know, a phone holder. I think you use it to the mini tripod. And then there is this thing, I don't know, I don't know how to set it up, but let's try. I don't know whether you guys trouble. I don't know whether this one is meant to be. I don't know. Where do you put this one now? Anyways, there is this ball head. I don't know where you put it. So, and we have the 2-meter tripod. Let me it has a carry bag. I even don't know what I'm going to do. This is how it looks like. Yeah. So it looks like I'm going to break it. What? I don't know how we are going to set it up. So this is it. So guys, I don't know actually where this one is supposed to be. That is what I don't know. So I don't know whether you can see. Let me put it here so that you guys can see nicely. So this one, oh, well, this is how you put it here. Like that. And then I don't know what next. I don't know whether it's this one. Oh hey, my goodness, I don't know. So you put this one right over here. So how are we going to? Actually, you guys, I also don't know how to fix it, so we are trying. Because ooh la la, I have made it. So that is how you do. So I hope I'm doing the right thing. Wait, I also don't know. I also don't know. So I don't know how do you. Oh, it's flexible. You can adjust it. So now what I don't know is how we are going to fix this one, because this is what is supposed to be holding the phone, and I can't see. Actually, I can't see whatever that is supposed to hold this thing. I don't know how it's fixed. But it's, I don't know. This one is fixed here. Like that. So you guys can see it's flexible. One thing I don't know is, how do you put this one now? Is it like that? That is what you don't know. But anyway, I'm going to learn what I'm supposed to do because I actually don't know. And then we have the microphone. The microphone was free. That is why I told you guys this thing was on offer, and that is why I decided to buy it. So let's try first with this mini tripod. How do you fix it? So this is what you're going to do. Like this, and then the mini tripod, I hope you guys can see it because it's a bit simple. It's a bit simple, that is what I'm saying. I don't know whether you guys can hear me. Yeah. But I don't know. I don't know. Let's just try. Oh, it's flexible. Okay. So you can be. So this is where you place your phone and then maybe shoot. That is if you want it like. Okay, I can't show you because I'm using my phone to film. So I'll show you once we are done with this. We are going to try all these things. So because it doesn't have somewhere where you're going to plug, so I think I'm going to use for the charger simu. That is what I'm going to use, and then you get to see how it works. And then it comes with a Bluetooth shutter. Even I've not yet tested the microphone whether it's working or not. That is how the microphone looks like. Okay, I've not yet tested, so I don't know whether it's working or not. Yeah, so the microphone, I think you plug into a phone. I don't know, but we are going to try and see. So let's try and see whether the microphone itself is, whether the ring light is working. Sorry. You are not excited like the way I am excited. Where? So how does it work? So how does it work? I don't know. Where do you even yeah, guys, I don't even where do you switch it on? Hey, yeah. What's the purpose of? Oh, nice. So let me plug it in and then we get to see. I also think these things are for maybe if you want the height to be more than this. Now my problem is, where are we even? Oh wow! I'm so excited. Oh nice. So I think this looks like a bit what we say? A bit yellow and white. So I don't know. When you want to add it to be more bright, that is how, okay. And then oh nice. I think now I'm sorted. I'll not be having trouble in shooting. So this is where when you want to add more brightness, that is how you do it. When you want to reduce the brightness. So I don't know, this one other is for, this is for changing. This one looks, I'm so excited. But my problem is, I don't know how to fix this thing. I don't know how we are going to fix it, but anyways, I'm going to find a way of fixing it, because honestly, I don't know. What we are supposed to do here, because, well, I don't know, but anyway, guys, anywho's, allow me enjoy my ring light. So I hope I'll be shooting more content I hope I'll not have excuses anymore, but anyways, masaa ndo machache, shughuli ni mingi. So guys, I want to wrap this video at this particular point. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share my videos widely. I'll appreciate. So I even don't know, I've not yet tested the microphone. I don't know, how do you test it? Maybe I'll test it later. Yeah, I'll do the testing later, but yeah, that is how it looks like. So yeah, thank you so much guys for tuning in. Until next time, bye. See you in my next video.